In this video, we'll be showing you how we connect our Xbox Series X to our TV. Now, before we get started, we're going to turn our Xbox around so we can see all of the ports that we will need to access to connect the cables. The first cable we're going to be connecting is the power cord. Now, the power cord, you see the little end there with the little divot in it, that's going to go on the very bottom right here. So we'll go ahead and plug that in. We are then going to take the opposite end and find an outlet to give our Xbox power. The next cord we'll be connecting is the HDMI cord. For this, we will need to locate the HDMI out port on our Xbox Series X, and we will plug it in there. Once we have that all set, we will take the other end of our HDMI cable and plug it into one of our HDMI ports on our TV. One quick note, it's important for us to remember which HDMI input we are using, as we will need to switch the TV's input to the one that we are plugging it into. We are using input 1, so we'll just keep a mental note. With the HDMI cord all set, we are going to hook up an Ethernet cable just because we want faster speed. We'll plug that into the Ethernet port there. You could also do Wi-Fi through the Xbox settings. And then lastly, we do have an external hard drive that we're going to just be plugging into one of the USB slots. So we'll locate that and plug it on in. And now everything is connected, so we will reorientate our Xbox to how we want it to sit, and we will go ahead and power up our console. Now our TV defaults to HDMI 1, so we do not need to change the input since that is going to be where the video is being fed from. However, if we plugged it into a different input, we would need to manually change that on the TV settings. And after it's had time to boot up, we see our Xbox is on and ready to go. Thanks for watching.